Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome USB-C charger that I got to replace my computer charger. I don't know what happened to my computer charger, so I needed a new one. And this was great. It charged my computer so fast. I have a MacBook Air, and it did a really nice job charging it. So it is a double-sided USB-C port. This wall plug did not overheat. It did a really nice job charging my laptop, like I mentioned, and I feel comfortable plugging my laptop in with this and knowing that it's not messing with the battery. I tried to use other chargers and it didn't charge it fast at all. I recommend this though, if you are in a bind like I was and needed something to replace it, definitely check it out, and that is my point of view.